Today I'm going to teach you how to combine shapes in Figma. This is a really useful technique when you want to merge multiple shapes into one single object, making it easier to manage your designs and create custom icons or graphics. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open your Figma application. Once you've got Figma up and running, you'll need to open the project where you want to combine shapes. This could be any design file you're working on, whether it's a logo, an icon set, or a user interface design. Navigate to the specific frame or page where your shapes are located. For this example, let's say I have two shapes here that I want to merge together. To get started with combining them, you need to highlight both shapes. You can do this by clicking on one shape, then holding down the Shift key while clicking on the second shape. This ensures that both shapes are selected simultaneously, which is crucial for the next steps to work properly. Now that both shapes are highlighted, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. This is where Figma's Properties panel lives, and it contains all the tools you need to modify your selected objects. Look for the union icon in this panel. The union icon is part of Figma's boolean operations, which allow you to combine, subtract, intersect, or exclude shapes in various ways. Click on the union icon to merge your two shapes together. At this point, Figma has created a union group of your shapes. However, there's one more important step to complete the process. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Layers panel. Here, you should now see an item labeled Union, representing your combined shapes. Right-click on this Union layer to open a context menu with additional options. From this menu, click on Flatten. This action converts your union group into a single flattened vector shape, making it behave as one unified object rather than a grouped operation. And that's it. You've successfully combined your shapes in Figma. The flattening step ensures that your combined shape is now a single vector object that you can manipulate, resize, and style as one cohesive unit. This technique is perfect for creating custom icons, logos, or any design elements that require multiple shapes to work together seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.